everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use pushcut with smart doorbells. So just tap on my pushcut app and officially logged in. So pushcut can be used with smart doorbells to create custom notifications and automations. Here's how to set up it. So when I just tap on the top right corner of plus icon, and it will say that unlock to add more than 3 notifications definitions and subscribe the plan for monthly, annual, or lifetime. So when you just purchase the plan, you will be able to integrate HomeKit scenes and online actions. So what to do when you just purchase the plan, and after next you will just create a notification in pushcut for your doorbell, and this can include a personalized message and actions. And second, set up a HomeKit automation or use a smart home platform that integrates with your doorbell, and use the automation to trigger a webhook URL provided by pushcut when the doorbell is pressed, and configure the pushcut notification to display relevant information such as someone is at the door, and add action to the notification such as viewing or leave camera feed or unlocking the door. So that's it. This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.